Hello दोस्तों, today we will discuss Arundhati Roy's first novel, The God of Small Things Summary. This was written and published in the year 1996. In the next year, in 1997, it got Booker Prize. The setting of this novel was in M&M town, Kerala, and years were mentioned. One is 1969, where most of the plots were written, and the last plot was written in 1993. Asta and Rahel, twins, they are the protagonists of this play. Let's see. So one couple, Mamachi and Papachi, were living in M&M town. They had a daughter called Amu and a son called Chaco. Papaji was an abusive husband. He used to beat Mamachi and Amu. He used to abuse all the time. So Amu didn't want to live with them. Chaco went to live in London to study in Oxford University, but Amu stuck there. But one day Amu decided and went to Calcutta to stay with her aunt, and there he found a person called Baba and got married to him. But Baba was also a drunk person, and he used to abuse and beat Amu. And one day he forced Amu to sleep with his boss. So it made Amu very angry, and Amu left Kolkata and came to M&M with her twins Rahel and Esther. Rahel the daughter and Esther the son. Here Chaco fell in love with Margaret, and they had a daughter, Sophie. But soon Margaret remarried to Joe and eloped with him. So Chaco came to M&M, and he planned to see his family business in pickle factory. So soon Joe died in a car accident, and Chaco thought to call Margaret and Sophie to spend their holidays in M&M. So they came, and to receive them, the family planned to go to airport, and they also planned to watch a movie called The Sounds of Music. But in the middle way, some communists came, and they stopped the car, and they forced baby Kochama to wave their flag. It hurted the ego of baby Kochama. She felt insulted. She thought that she will never forgive any communists. At that time, Rahel, the daughter of Amu, she said that she had seen Belutha there. Belutha was a skilled worker in the pickle factory, and Amu was in love with Belutha. One day Amu and Belutha had sex, and after that it continued regularly. So Belutha's father came to their home and said that Amu and Belutha are having affairs, so they should get married. But baby Kochama opposed strongly, because Belutha was an untouchable. At that time, so much tension was there in their home. So Rahel and Asta planned to go out of the house, and they thought that they should go to their favorite place, History House. But at that time, Sophie also demanded that she will also come with them. So they three came out of the house. They went by seaside, and in the middle sea, their boat was ineffective. So they had to swim and came to shore. Rahel and Asta came to shore, and seen Sophie was not there. That means Sophie drowned and died. Here, baby Kochama filed an FIR against Belutha, that he had raped Amu, killed Sophie, and kidnapped Rahel and Asta. one inspector was there, Sir Thomas Matthew. He arrested Belutha and beaten him up to death. At that time, Rahel and Asta came and said that Belutha was innocent. Now the police became frightened that if it will come out, that means he will be suspended and communal riots may occur. So the police threatened baby Kochama about this. So baby Kochama instigated Chaco that Sophie's murderer Belutha was supported by Amu, Rahel and Asta. So he should send all of them out of the house. So here Chaco sent Asta to his father Baba to Calcutta and sent Amu and Rahel out of the house. At that time, Rahel and Asta, they were 7 years old when they got separated. But after some years, when they were 11 years old, Amu died. So now the plot took a leap of 24 years in 1993. At that time, Rahel got married to an American person, Boston, but that time the marriage didn't work out, so they got divorced. Baby Kochama was there at home and she was watching TV all the time with the cook, and the history house became a 5-star hotel. That time Asta came to M&M. And Asta and Rahel met after 24 years. They had talked a lot. They never met like each other, anyone. So they had sex. Now it created a conflict. That means the total novel was condemned by everyone because it violated the love rules. First, the married wife Margaret eloped with Joe. Secondly, untouchable Belutha loved Amu, and at the end, Rahel and Asta, twins, they had sex. So the theme of this play is who should be loved and how much. So friends, if you understood the novel and if you want that I should make this type of summary video, then please tell me in comment box, like, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.